Hello fellow couponers, today I'm doing a video of my CVS haul for this week, and I think today is January 22nd, might be the 23rd. Anyway, I did a small trip today. I did 3 transactions, but I just combined them all in one sheet to explain it to you because it wasn't a well-planned trip, so I just kind of had to figure out while I was there what I was going to do. I only had maybe 20 or 30 minutes to plan before I left, and I sometimes can do a better job when I have more time to plan if I have lots of store coupons to work with. So, here's a quick summary. All of this product, had I not used coupons or, use their sale stuff, would have cost $45.46. But I did use coupons, and I used $19.90, almost $20 worth. Forgot to add up my CVS coupon column, but that would have been $13.99 in CVS coupons. I got back $1.60 in Beauty Club rewards. That SB stands for Swagbucks. Whenever I print a coupon off of coupons.com through Swagbucks, I get 10 cents back. I get basically 10 Swagbucks back, which equates to 10 cents. I also got $2 back from my Ibotta on Arnicare cream, on Arnicare gel only. I got $2 back. I will get $4.99 and $2 back on the Right Guard and the Persil through SavingStar, which is another app. So I will link to Swagbucks for you below. I'll link to Ibotta and SavingStar below. And then in store, I got back the 5, 4, and the 3. And so the total I paid out of pocket today with extra care bucks was $11.48, and I profited $11.71. So that $11.71 comes from the profit of $11.48 minus the 12 extra care bucks I got, minus the Ibotta I will get back, Ibotta and SavingStar I'll get back, minus the 60 cents from Swagbucks I'll get back, and minus the $1.60 from Beauty Club. So there was a coupons.com coupon for if you buy one Hershey's bar, you get a Hershey's Gold bar for free. These are buy one, get one free on sale this week. So with the coupon, all of these were free. So that's what, 10 candy bars for free. The Right Guard, as you can see, it was on sale for 2 for $7. And then I think you got $4 back when you bought 3. So I had a $4.99 coupon. Some people were reporting online that they had a $1 off $5 deodorant coupon that they got to use with that, which is pretty cool. The little red machine spit out Sensodyne trial free CVS store coupon for this, so $1.99. Oh, forgot to mention, on these Hershey's bars, I had a $1 off a $5 candy purchase. So by getting $5 worth of candies before coupons, I was able to use that $1 off. But I already got them free anyway, so that extra CVS coupon $1, applied to the other items that were in my cart, if you will, but on that transaction. The Arnicare gel is $7.99. There was a $3 manufacturer coupon online. I got a $2 credit and 3 extra care bucks, so that $4.99 is annihilated with that 3 and 2 right there. The L'Oreal Preference was probably my best deal because it was 2 for $16, so they were $8 each. Then I used a $5 off 2 coupon. Then I had a $9 hair color coupon that I earned from buying 7 hair colors over time. They have a promo at CVS right now where if you buy 7 hair colors, you get a coupon for 1 free. And the cool thing about that coupon is that it automatically takes $9 off, but the hair color in this instance only cost $8. I also had a $2 off any 2 hair colors CVS coupon. So this transaction cost me nothing out of pocket, and I got $5 back. What was the other thing? And that's, see how it was $6 and then $6, so that's why it cost me nothing. Oh, and I guess I got $6.60 back because I got the $5 and the $1.60. The Purcell, I didn't have the coupon for my cat Trig just came to say hello. There's a $3 coupon that just came out in the Sunday's paper. I didn't have that, so I just used the $2 coupon that is on coupons.com right now, and I printed it through Swagbucks. So on the Purcell, it's $4.99. Use that $2 coupon I just talked about. I'll get the 10 cents back from Swagbucks, and then I'll get the $2 back from SavingStar. So what it cost me 89 cents for that thing of detergent. Alright guys, like I said, I'll include links to everything I've spoke about below. Let me know what questions you have, if any. I'm really trying to keep up with these weekly videos. I hope that they're helping. If you have any questions, it would help me know what the heck to talk about in these videos too. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Helps me come back for more and bring you more. We'll see you next time.